Hey everybody, it's Jenny McGarvey, and I thought I would open my Cocoa Daisy from the Garden collection kits with you. I have not opened them yet, and each month I make sure to not open them before I do this video. I like to give you my initial reaction. I also do not look at the full kit contents before I do this because I want to make sure, sorry, I had a little tissue paper sliding around in there. I want to make sure that I'm surprised as much as I can be after looking at the sneaks. All right, so we will start with the cute little collection card, of course. And then these are, oh, how cute. This is the little vinyl sticker. These are sample stamps. This is the a la carte floral stamp set. You can't see that here. What I do is I stamp this on a piece of cardstock and then I can just slide it in the sleeve. And same thing, this is the Traveler's Notebook stamp set as well. I receive all of these kits as for my work with Cocoa Daisy. However, I did actually purchase some extra items as well, but those will come later. All right, so this is the Modern Memory Keeping Kit, and as always, it comes in this great little storage envelope that is very sturdy and has the Velcro. I could not think what that was called. Okay, so we have some die cuts here, and as always, they are adhesive on the back. And there are several fun shapes in here. So some florals, garden love, very cute. But then there's also, you know, like some really basic ones that are great for memory keeping as well. Beautiful days, so on and so forth. I'm really actually liking the line art that's included this month. So like that one, for example, the black and white one, you could totally like watercolor that or use markers or different kinds of inks on there if you felt like it. Okay, so then we have some little vellum die cuts also. These are so pretty. So they're just little vellum circles, and then around the outside, that's gold foil writing. Those are going to be beautiful for layering, I do think. All right, and then the stamp set that is included in the Modern Memory Keeping Kit is really cute this month. Oh, these colors, I love them. These beautiful greens, and then with the light blue and the yellow, it's like the perfect pop for spring. Okay, these are also gorgeous. I don't know how I'm going to use these yet, but they are so pretty. So they're just little wood veneer pieces, and they are obviously engraved as well. There's two of each. So you have these more full rounded, and then you have these, look at all those. Do you see those? So cute. And then they're smooth on the back. So obviously if you weren't interested in the engraving, but I don't know why you wouldn't be, because look at those. Yeah, so there's 6 pieces of those in there, which is outstanding. Lots of room for fun there. All right, so let's take a look at the 3x4 cards. I have to forgive my Band-Aid. I hurt myself. And then my inky hands. I was working with a fountain pen before I started. Oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. And I love that sun pattern too. You belong among the wildflowers. That plaid is stunning. I really like this collection a lot because I love florals and I love the idea of a wildflower garden, but I'm not too into actually gardening. So the fact that there's not a ton of actual gardening type things in here is absolutely perfect for me. So long spring, which is great for the end of spring. So pretty. That one says My Journey up at the top. Very cute. Yeah, this is really gorgeous. I also don't love butterflies, so I'm glad that there's not too many of those in this kit. Okay, see, this is one of the cards and one of the patterns that I absolutely love. Hopefully my camera is focusing on that. It's really dark here today. It's rainy, so it's having a hard time, but I love this pattern. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, so now probably my favorite card yet. Here comes the sun, because if you know me and you've been here a minute, I really do love some summertime. Oh, this is so pretty. This pink background on this card, can you see that? What a beautiful color palette. I love that you could put like a little frame in there, or you could do journaling. So many possibilities for frames. Okay, so that is the 3x4 cards. Those are some real winners this month. Actually, who am I kidding? They're always great. Okay, so here's the 4x6 cards. Ooh, I love all those. And then down here at the bottom, it says, I just know that something good is gonna happen. That's adorable. That's very sweet, little by little. Oh, also pretty. I love this, like, I love it on the white because it really pops, but then I also love it on these really subtle pastels as well. It's just a nice change. Very cute. Okay, so now this month it's all chipboard circles, which is very cool. And there's also, as you can see, different phrases and patterns and stuff. Then we have some puffy alphabet stickers. And then the stickers, which I always use in my memory planner. I absolutely love this. Ah, look at these rub-ons. It's a great mix. So like you have the little dragonfly, but then you also have one of like the brush strokes and plenty of florals as well. Just really pretty. All right, let's look at the pattern papers. Okay, so we have this floral around the edges. And then on the back of that is this cute little yellow floral pattern. These stripes are gorgeous. And then on the back is a ledger. Then this sort of very basic and simple plaid. And then on the back is this green diamond. How cute, right? That's a really nice, it just really feels like spring, right? Like the earth is waking up. So that was the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. All right, so now I got this mini TN, and I have an idea of how I'm going to use it. I am planning on using this for like a daily, oh, that's beautiful. Do you see that? I plan on using it for a daily lettering challenge and then being able to do each page that way. So you have the beautiful front page, a line for notes, and then you have these striped pages, which I absolutely love. Obviously, Cocoa Daisy has tons of different sizes of these notebooks, and what I love about these is that they're fountain pen friendly, and so I am newly into fountain pens, and so that's what I'm going to do my lettering challenge with. Gives me a chance to write with different inks and different pens and things like that, and the paper in these is for fountain pen friendly. So that is, I'm going to do the lettering thing each day, like each day on one page. And I think that that is going to be really super fun. Like I'm very much looking forward to using these little notebooks for that. Okay, so now we have the journaling kit, which I'm very excited about because A, I love the journaling kit, but B, I was very interested in one roll of washi tape this month, and it was this one. It's white with black line drawings on it. Let's see if I can open this up with my Band-Aid. Okay. I love it. I absolutely love this washi tape so much. So that was what I was most excited about in this particular kit. So I'm very pleased to have received it. So there is the little card, and then on the back has the journaling prompts, which again, I think this notebook would be really cool for these journaling prompts too. I can't ever stick with journaling, so I'm hoping that the lettering challenge will stick, but I think that this would be like the perfect pair, honestly. Okay, so you have the journaling prompts, and then you have these stickers, which are all printed on vellum, and they're not in any other kit. I love using these in my Hobonichi Cousin. The Tomoe River paper is stunning. I love it, but it's very, very thin. Oh, look at those days of the week. So cute. And this full page, I can see like Fussy cutting this out. So much fun. Oh, that green pattern is stunning. And then, oh, so pretty. Okay, I always love the watercolor strokes, so I love them each month, and I think they're perfect. They're perfect on their own, but they're wonderful for layering as well. And then this nice thin sticker paper makes layering even more possible. Okay, the yellow stripe, can you see that pattern? It's like a little leaf pattern on the yellow. So cute. Okay, so then we have 2 sheets of rub-ons here. You have the days of the weeks and the florals and all of that stuff, and then similar over here. And again, you can't get these in a different kit. I love the journaling kit. All right, so the stationery kit. I saw this in the sneaks, and I'm very interested to take a closer look. Okay, so every month I show you this little guy. It says fresh, it has some flowers on it. Hopefully you can see that. And then on the back it has a pin. And every month I think I should just get that clip out before I do this video, and I never do. But you can take the pin back off. You can take that little part out, and then it pops so nicely on this big paper clip that is awesome for all the things. You can buy these in the Cocoa Daisy shop. Okay, so then we have the Days of the Week washi. I believe the background is black, and then it just has the Days of the Week. I'm not going to open that because I can't get it open, but you can see in just a really basic white font, the Days of the Week. That lovely, lovely green bow. The daily checklist sticky notes, super cute. And then we have the vellum die cuts. I love that we're including these. They're just always so beautiful. So tons of patterns. Like, look at that, a little cute gardening apron. And then you have the line drawing leaves. A butterfly, which, you know, I don't like butterflies, so I'm not going to talk about those guys, but so as you can see, really pretty and a really nice mix between the colorful die cuts and the black and white. I love the black and white. I will be sure to dive right into those this month. But I'm not going to lie, I'm loving Take Flight, so I'm not looking to move into a different one just yet. Okay, so then we have a new kind of sticky notes. These are, they're kind of like page flags. So as you can see, it's a pad of sticky notes, and they are kind of like the transparent ones that you see people using nowadays. So they're very smooth, like plasticky. You'd have to use a permanent marker on these, but these would be wonderful for like sticking in your book, like as a bookmark or annotations or things like that. This is very, very pretty. Okay, that's several pieces, FYI. But yeah, they're just, I mean, it's almost vellum-like, but it's basically, like I said, it's like those transparent sticky notes that people have been using for a minute. Those are very pretty. All right, and then the stickers. Oh, that is the most beautiful page of stickers. Okay, the days of the week. Oh, I love the color palette. And then also another beautiful page of florals. Okay, so then let's take a look here. Okay, so here is the vellum. It's got gold foil little dots in between. And so like it's a cross between scallops and rainbows. You know, I mean, I think you might call it scallops, but so cute. Then we have the transparency, the acetate, if you will. It's a clear background with the green leaves. Then we have this amazing, let's see if I put this here, if you can see it a little bit better. It's white writing. Nope, can't see that. What about? Nope, that's not really working either. Okay, so it's got white writing on it. Maybe you can see it right there. And then along the side, it's got florals, and then it's got lines also, so things to do. Then it comes with this dry erase marker. It also has the clear plastic on it. It's not acetate, by the way. It's heavier than acetate. So it's, I think you can kind of see that. Anyway, but it's thicker. It's like thicker plastic. You could definitely punch this. Can you hear that? Like how it's the thicker. So anyway, it's got the clear plastic on there. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this off in a timely fashion. So just pretend that I can, okay? So you could say car wash, groceries, you know. So anyway, so it comes with this dry erase marker too, and this dry erase board. So I have a paper towel right here, but you have to forgive me. It's my, that I've been using for fountain pen ink, so it's a little messy. So then you just wipe it off. And again, like I said, it comes with the little plastic covering on top of it, so you would take that off. I did not, but you would use that before I use it. The florals are stunning, and then it says things to do across the top. So that is in the stationery kit, and that is amazing. All right, let's pop into stickers before we're finished. This is the Classic Cousin sticker kit, and these are sized to fit inside an A5 Hobonichi Cousin. I have found they work very well for that. I enjoy them very much there. My favorite pattern this month is the light blue. I'm really in my blue era with the florals. I love that so much. So there's lots of really great stickers in this Classic Cousin kit, some functional ones, some decorative ones. You definitely could definitely get several weeks of beautiful planning. I like to use these in my daily pages as well. All right, so last but not least, we have the memory keeping sticker kit. And as usual, I will link all of these things up for you below if you're interested. And I also have a coupon code for you as well if you have never ordered from Cocoa Daisy before and you want to give it a try. So these are sized for the Daisy planner or for the Big Happy planner. So the boxes are approximately 2 inches wide. I use these in my memory planner. I am using a Big Happy planner this year, and these work great. And I've used the Daisy planner the last few years. I just wanted a bigger planner again this year. So yeah, these are all gorgeous. I love them so much. If you have any questions, or leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for links to any of these individual kits, look in the description and I will have them all for you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.